Well, hello and welcome back to the Price of Patience.
Good morning, everyone.
Good evening, good morning,
Good
good
morning, good
day.
evening. Yeah. Buenos dias.
That's right.
Bonjour,
So,
guten tag, buongiorno. What else? Um, everything.
greetings.
Greek greeting.
Yeah, right.
He said greetings. Yeah.
Yeah, season's greetings, happy daylight savings. I think
Yeah.
America is America the only one who does that. I don't think anyone does that anymore.
What that?
Daylight savings. You guys don't do that in Croatia, right?
Nah, we do. You mean changing the time?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. The 2 or 3 weeks after you guys.
Oh, okay. You guys do it too.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
uh,
We have to. I mean, I guess you made us do it.
yeah, yeah. America was like, you guys, everyone's got to do this thing where you change the times. Like, what? We changed the time?
Yeah, and they still saying that time traveling is not possible.
Crazy word. Carlos is in the
Yeah.
past. We're in Carlos's future right now. It's for him. It's still July 8th.
Yeah, yeah.
That's right.
That
We
makes
can
sense. So
tell him
the,
what's
the other
happening
side
tomorrow.
is almost in the next day already, July 10th. So
Mhm.
who's crazy here? I don't know.
Now, before price takes off, it will be coming here. Okay, so we're looking at 29,489. So I'm guessing that we're going to come all the way to the 14 SMA before we go anywhere. So that gives us some
Mm-hmm.
time. We're going to do a little bit of TA today because we are trading NQ. I'll be trading NQ instead of MNQ. I'm trying
Mm.
out this Apex Legacy account. All right, so let's start from the top down analysis. I also built an indicator for
Mm.
Tradeovate, and I'm gonna try it out probably another day. Oh, wait a minute. I think my levels did transfer over from MNQ.
Oh,
So that's
really?
good. Yeah, yeah.
It's because of your indicator, huh?
No, I didn't install it. So for some reason you can't just install your indicator on the web platform of Tradeovate. I think I need to install it on the desktop application of
Oh.
Tradeovate. So I'm gonna download that. Okay, Tradeovate.
And that's
Trade.
similar, like, I think that with the Ninja Trader is the same story.
Oh, okay.
I believe so. I'm not sure, but I think so.
Makes sense. Yeah,
Mm.
so I have to download trading platform, download Tradeovate apps. Okay, for Windows.
But it's funny. I cannot. You said you download Tradeovate app on your phone, right?
No, not on my phone. I've had it on my tablet for a
Mm.
while.
Oh, okay.
And that's cool and all, but it's not the same as trading on a computer
Yeah,
at all.
I can't. I don't have it.
Oh yeah,
And then
crazy.
if I go to a browser on the iPad or phone, it doesn't work.
Really?
So that last time when my trading view froze, I was trying to connect Tradeovate on my laptop, and I don't know what was slower. Like everything
Jeez.
was. So thankfully the trade went my way. We were streaming, so but it was funny.
Interesting.
Mm-hmm.
It is not to be trusted. It
Yeah.
is not to be oh, so I think I know why my computer's going slow.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I
Mm-hmm.
got Docker containers running and stuff right now. So let me delete that.
Just know that you
And
are
we
live.
have to, yep, yep, live and streaming. So right now we're going through some consolidation. So we don't need to draw key levels or anything, but we can still look at some pathing. as my good friends on YouTube like to say when they're TA. So we're looking at the daily chart right now. I don't think we're looking. This is not the daily chart. I don't think this is this the daily chart. That'd be crazy.
Mm, I think so, yeah.
You think it is? Yeah, you might be right. It looks a little bit like the 5 minute
Mm,
chart right now, but okay.
almost, yeah.
Yeah.
But you can check the weekly. I mean, it's been in a range, some kind of
Definitely. So
yeah.
it looks like we're about to break out of a huge flag on the daily. If I had to guess, I
Yo,
would.
by the way, I'm so sorry to interrupt. Now
Oh
you're
yeah.
gonna say, now when you said big flag breakout, check the weekly. We just have the 14 SMA
Oh,
yesterday.
I don't
So,
think I have the weekly on Tradeovate. It doesn't let me do that.
mm,
I have to put in a custom time frame and calculate how many hours it is.
no,
And
my
it's
God,
not on
okay.
there. Crazy work. But yeah, I'm gonna take your word for it. Or when I'm gonna switch over to you eventually, and you can show us.
Yeah, you will give me like 15, 20 minutes, but yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah. But no, if we're at the 14 SMA on the weekly, then that is a good sign. Especially considering yesterday's daily candle had this nice wick. So it must have responded to that level. Now we'll see since the buyers have reclaimed yesterday's high, or yesterday's close, we're above yesterday's closing price right now, then it's really good on the daily. It's looking good for a continuation if we can hold above yesterday's close, which is coming in hot around 29,374. I guess we can be precise. It's not impossible to do that. So let's take a look here. What are we looking at? 29 is that 350, 29, 3. Hold up. Let me do this. Let me do this because I've made my screen big. All right, there we go. There we go. 29, 391.25. Staying above 29, 391.25 means the Bulls are in control. All right, so keep that in mind. Keep that level in mind. Below 29, 390, let's just say, then the Bears
Mm.
are beginning to win this tug of war. All right, so that's our daily assessment. Let's go ahead and drop it down to the levels we know we love as traders. All
Take
right.
profit.
Yeah, these are the levels that we'll be looking at. My favorite, the 4 hour. Me and the 4 hour go together real bad.
Mm. But lately the 4 hours been, I think, the cleanest,
Yeah, let's see.
at least in hindsight. No?
Yeah, right. Well, the 4 hour looks like we are making a really ugly, really small headed inverse head and shoulders, which means we could even see a wick that comes down. We could see a wick that comes down to 29,206, just like it did on the left shoulder here, and we could still be bullish. So keep that in mind. It's not a particular level of any sort, but it just has confluence where the buy actually it is a level. That's funny. I said that. That's funny. I said that because I actually have a key level drawn out here, right around 29,290, which again, it's really close to that close, yesterday's close, right? So again, we are looking for bullishness above yesterday's close as long as we can stay above that in this overnight session, then it's very likely the bulls will reclaim 30,000 by tomorrow. We already have good macroeconomic news. We had the bad news that brought us down here to make this inverse head, where we were saying, oh no, the ceasefire is over,
No, it's not.
and
No, it's not.
already, the ceasefire is over, ceasefire is not over. the market's exhausted with this war news. We've had war news that was terrible, and the market went damn near to new all time highs. So um, I'm not really counting on war news to give me direction, but it is good to know. So we'll keep it in mind. But nonetheless, the market wants to go up, it's going to go up. It doesn't matter what's going on in Iran unless they, do something they haven't done before. So far, we haven't gotten that. So we are looking for, we have a bullish bias because we're in a bull flag on the daily, as we saw, right? And we're at the bottom of the range. So what happens once you hit the bottom of the range and you sweep the lows of a bull flag? That's when the breakout happens. So we are really, kind of looking for a breakout of this flag. I think. Okay, I'm looking and I don't know if we did sweep the lows. Sweeping the lows might actually call for something a little bit lower, but nonetheless, it's very possible we're going to break out. And if we do, we are looking at a continuation up, up, and above.
Mm-hmm.
These two levels. The first level we're looking at is 29,660. Just call it 29,670 or 29,680. All right. And then the next level we're looking at to the upside is 29,920.
Yep.
We've been interacting with these levels quite a bit lately. Below us, we have a level on watch that we could catch some support on at 29,287. So definitely keep your eyes peeled if we hit 29,287. Now, if we break below 29,287, because keep in mind, this 4 hour chart is currently in a downtrend. If you just ignore the flag and look at what's recent and decent, we're in a downtrend. There's a trend line that's pointing downwards. The wicks are respecting it even now. And this could be the start of a descent. That descent would take us to 29,280. And then if we break that level and go lower, I could see us going to 29,075. So one last thing I'll say about it is, during the Asian session, we do tend to have at least one big short, right? So
Yeah.
I,
At
I
least
would
we always had it. Yeah.
always, and we typically on this live we catch that big short, right? So we could be looking at a short that comes down. At the very least, I would put money on it, and I probably will, that we're going to come down to 29,260. And then, I would also bet that it's possible for us to see 29,060 flat.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if we really want to drop, and I don't know if this is realistic before New York, but crazier things have happened, we could see price come all the way down to 28 540 or
Mm-hmm.
28 550. So if we see that drop, I would expect that support to hold. One, because we're going to be seriously oversold on all RSIs and all time frames. But two, we've bounced twice there before, and it's a strong level. Hasn't been tested in a while. So I would expect at least an initial reaction, if not that being the bottom of the session before we start to rise up, for the rest of the session. So
Mm-hmm.
that's pretty much my pathing. I'm gonna switch it over to my partner and
You won't. You can't right now. I don't have screen.
oh, no
I
screen
don't
yet.
have
Okay.
not yet. No. But I will just follow up what you just said, and everything is spot on, I would say. And if we remember on Tuesday, I believe I said that 29, it was a little bit lower, like, yeah, 29 flat.
Mm-hmm.
We came to actually 28, 9, 920 was the low, right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Yeah,
Punch
right
back
around
at
28 920.
923.
Yeah.
Um, and with that move, our value area low of the range came a little bit higher, and it's sitting right now at 28, 860-ish.
Mm-hmm.
But we had the bounce from that. That was Actually, our naked weekly point of control was a little bit higher, was at 29.66. That's why I had that level. That's why I had the target like last week. Um, and right now we are rejecting some kind, somewhat of that same point of control that we have if you pull the volume profile from the April low
Yep, I see.
or March low all the way to the current price action. That's the point of control that we are rejecting now. And we already have 2 weeks on 4 hour candles rejected. So yeah, I mean, we could blast through. And fun fact, this is also a trend line um, that we had drawn that makes that pennant on 4 hours or on a daily. So we lost that trend line the other day. Now we are retesting its same as the point of control. So this is definitely a resistance here, like 29,600, I believe. Yeah,
Hmm.
550, 600 is definitely a key level too. We need to see a candle close above. Let me put it here, for example. Let's see. Yeah, 29,567.25 on M and Q. I want to see a 4 hour candle close above that before I can say we are going back to 30K.
Couldn't agree more. We need to see I'd like to see a high time frame candle, like an hourly candle close above that. But I would settle for a 15-minute at the least before I could really believe in the
No,
move.
yeah, I was talking about 4 hour candle, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, no, we get a 4 hour candle up there. Yeah.
Or
And then,
one
okay.
hour, same thing, pretty much the same thing, yeah.
Yeah, essentially, So I'm seeing, and
Oh,
then like, when I go to the 1 hour, I see the inverse head and shoulders even more. But
yeah, but you see that we just bounced with the last candle from the 14 SMA on 1 hour.
yeah, we did.
So, yeah,
So it looks bullish, but I wouldn't be
it
surprised
does.
if this goes up to the high of the session and then wicks back down
Mm-hmm.
and just continues to chop around because it looks like we're kind of just flagging here. But, we could break out. And if, sometimes inverse head and shoulders don't play out to look exact, the left and right shoulders don't look exactly the same.
Yeah,
Sometimes the right shoulder will be a little bit, more
crooked,
bullish. Yeah.
dislocated,
Yeah,
dislocated.
it'll be dislocated. Absolutely. Yeah. So this could just break out here and say, forget all the extra squiggles and just go straight for the push, right? And then we'd be on our way up to the 30,000s. I haven't seen any news that would do that.
Yeah, and we have some resistances to 30K, but at the end of the day, that's only 500 points from
Yeah.
here. So yeah,
Yeah. NQ can do that with no catalyst, like,
this might have been like a fake out to the downside from the whole pennant, and we can go higher easily. Um,
yeah, liquidity grab. Well, I
but
mean, I
yeah,
think
but
that's
yeah,
kind of
sorry.
some news. No, you're fine. You're fine.
No, yeah, exactly. And but if you take a look at the 1 hour, we are still in a downtrend. So I think this is what we just said, like 29,500. If we reclaim that and make, I think that's a level that I want to see for a higher high, first higher higher in a while. On market structure, that would be some kind of a break of structure to the upside, and then we can look for a higher low. But if we reject here, then yeah, then I mean, then the question is if we're gonna make if we're gonna consolidate between 29.5 and 29 flat, or we're gonna make another low. Mm. I have some
Mm.
high volume zones at, yeah, 28 450 and 28 100 to 200. But since the value area low is higher, as I said earlier, and that would be much more bearish right now, since the value area low moved. 2 weeks ago, that level was perfectly bullish, just a consolidation target. But right now, if we come there, I believe it would be a little bit more bearish than it was 7 days ago.
Hmm. Yeah.
So right now, I
Yep.
don't have any
Mm.
trades. So
Yeah, I'm looking to try a 4-to-1 or uh trade. Probably gonna just trade my 25K because I don't really like to scalp with this spread that we're having. NQ
yeah,
having a 7 tick spread is crazy. I don't know. I might need to
seven
roll
ticks.
my
That's
contract.
almost 2 points.
Yeah, it's almost 2 points right now. It's outrageous. So there's no, it's not a good time to scalp. I'll wait. I'll wait until that spread shrinks, or let me also see if I maybe I need to roll my contract because yeah, that's something else. The liquidity is just like lacking right now. No, when I roll forward, the spread
No.
is 3 points. So let's roll
Yeah,
back.
no, no.
Yeah, I'm on the right contract, but liquidity is not looking good.
And what's the spread on the M&Q?
You know what? That's probably a little better. Let's see. What are we looking at here? MNQ. Okay, yeah, MNQ is just 1 tick, two
Hmm.
ticks, one or two. So yeah,
Interesting.
that could be better.
So
You know, I don't mind paying
Asians
commissions.
don't trade NQ, huh?
Apparently, Asians are trading MNQ. And when
Not late, not late.
you don't need a lot of American money if you're not in America.
Uh, America.
Yeah, man. So that's good to know. Um, yeah. So here we are. We're just looking. We can get a little bit more granular because I mean we've looked at the macroeconomic. Now it's like let's zoom in. Let's talk about entries. Entries to a good trade, to a good 4-to-1. All right, let's go zoom in to the 15 minute. All right.
And we have
Feel
1 minute bull flag trying to play out. So
Oh yeah, we're in the 20s and we're pushing through, so we should be in the 30s soon. And then I wouldn't expect this to come back near the 20s anytime soon. Once we push up out of them, so yeah, I think that we are going to. I mean, you could
Hmm.
go long right this second and probably get 100 points in the next like 30 minutes.
oh, 100, that would be nice from here. Huh?
Yeah, yeah. I really see us going to. What is this? This is the next level. Um, oh shit, that's yeah, 620. All right, well, you got about 60 points ahead of you. Now, if we break out and make a new high, then yeah, you can get that full 100 points. You're gonna have to be patient. I think it's gonna take about an hour, and we know how 1 o'clock likes to throw us a curveball, 1 a.m. So keep an eye out for that. Uh, Typically, we see a push to the highs before one, and then some sort of false breakout. And 1 o'clock will reveal the false breakout, sweep the lows, and then we get the real move for the London Open or by 4 o'clock, depending on what kind of mood the market's in that day. All right, so right now, I think we're about to see the 30s pretty clean, pretty clean. Spread is crazy. All right, let's trade 200 MNQ contracts for a little scalpy scalp.
Only 20.
Yeah, that's it. We're just gonna do a little 200 MNQs. No, nothing
200.
crazy.
Oh, wow. I heard 20. Okay, my bad.
Yeah, same thing.
Careful though. Careful.
Yeah,
I
absolutely.
got burned yesterday with 150 very quickly after a winning trade. So
Yeah, let's
just,
do.
just have that in mind. If you see profits, you will see profits very quickly. Take them. And then don't go in immediately. Don't go back immediately because that cost me like $18. Not a big deal, right? But it's not about $20. It's about or $18. It's about um and of course I got stopped out. Or actually I got liquidated because of the trailing drawdown. And I managed to take like 5K. My max profit was six and a half. And then minimal drawdown cost me the account. And then of course trade continued in the direction. But just be careful.
Got to do that much. We got to do that. All right. So what I'm looking for here is, well, I would like for price not to lag. That'd be a good start because
That would be
that'd be a really good start. I don't like the idea of anything when there's lag with 200 contracts. Sheesh.
yeah, that's also true.
I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna trade on another device, but I'm still gonna trade the same account. So the P&L will show, the orders, entry, and all that will show, but I'm not
Uh-huh.
gonna enter the trade on lag. That doesn't sound like a good idea. Let's do it on a laptop here. Trusty tablet.
Funny how we all have that one device.
Everyone's got that one device that gets laggy whenever it wants to, right? So, yep. And that would have been a good long right there when we just pulled back to the low 20s. I was looking to go long there, just for a scalpy scalp, little 5 pointer. And yeah, I didn't want to play with good old lag. So here we are. That would have been a nice little scalpy scalp. That's cool. I like doing stuff on my tablet. So, okay, I got 250 micros loaded up. We're gonna shoot for just 4 ticks, which is $500, and we're gonna risk 40 ticks, which is $5,000. Yeah, I don't like that. I think we're gonna go 200. Okay, cool. So that's $400 for 4,000. You can
Wow,
survive that.
it's quite a price to reward, bro.
Yeah, if you reverse it, it's great risk reward.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see. We are at the top of the range here. Now, as soon as I see the sellers start to take advantage and do anything, I'm gonna get in with them. And all I need is 4 ticks, but because of the spread, it's really closer to 6. So I do have to be a little bit careful, but 6 ticks, nothing to write home about. But it's still $400. I got plenty of bills that aren't $400, so I'm gonna take $400 very serious.
If every trade is $400, it wouldn't be bad.
Yeah, hard to complain about that.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm down on the 1 minute, just looking for some sort of support, and I'm in.
Order filled.
Oh goodness, yeah, I'm in 200 micros right now
Order
for the
filled.
longs. Let's see. And can I hit my take profit? Can I hit my take profit? Oh my goodness.
Order
Yo,
filled.
I'm out. I got 6 contracts out, but I still
Six
have
from
100,
200.
still have 194 contracts in. So
Oh wow, that's interesting that it took only four.
yeah, just a little bit.
As nobody wants to sell there, huh?
Nobody's trying to buy my contracts. It's outrageous. Okay, okay. Let's see. Pretty heavy drawdown right now. Okay, am I gonna? We're coming back. Coming back. No, no. I'm looking at the 1 minute, so anything can happen. It's all happening pretty fast. I need the
Okay,
buyers to.
starting everything finally. So I will
Order
be with
filled.
you in a couple of minutes.
Sounds good.
Sorry about that.
Oh, you're fine.
Let me check. Do we have some
Order rejected.
comments today?
Oh, I think my daily loss limit that I put in. Okay.
Okay, okay, that's smart. That's
I
smart.
forgot about that. I forgot I put it in daily loss limit. So that is why I got stopped out because I didn't hit my stop loss.
Yeah, but that's I think it's better.
Yeah. Yeah. It's not really a good market for scalping when you got, you know, spread like this.
Yeah,
So
but yeah, funny see because you hit your TP, but there was no liquidity.
yeah, exactly. That too.
So yeah, I guess for this that amount of contracts, we have to wait at least London
Yeah, you definitely want some movement. I mean, you can
or
hit
earlier
so
in the
easily.
Asia session, because now what is the time now? Like 7 o'clock in the morning, or what? 1 o'clock for you?
Yep. Yep.
Uh, maybe lunchtime in Asia. Who knows?
All right. So now switching to the 25K account. Let's go here.
Just make sure you don't go with 200 contracts.
Yeah, let's do 200 on the 25K account. See how that works out. If only. Now, the max we could do on the 25K account is 40 contracts, and no, not today.
No, that's a little bit ridiculous even for my likings.
This is 44. Yeah, 44 we could do. And this is 24. Okay, good. Yeah, yeah. I think it just needs to refresh. All right. So I will not be installing the indicator because there is way too much lag. So we'll just have to try that another time. Let's see if this fixes my lag problem. Here we go. Okay, let's go for 3 contracts at a time. We'll do a 2 to 1. We're risking 10 points to get 30 points, 20 points, 10 points to get 20 points. That's 2 to 1. Okay. I really like. What's that?
Bet risk to reward.
Yeah, it's better, much better on the 25K account. I passed 25Ks pretty quickly. Usually it doesn't take me like more than a day or two to pass the 25K, but we'll see what this session gives. I'm having a lot of lag on my laptop, so I'm gonna have to mainly trade on my tablet, which my tablet is not lagging at all. So I'll be doing that there, but I'm trying to show you guys what we got going on.
Is your cloud maybe still running?
Maybe it is in the background. I don't know, but I definitely closed. Yeah, closed everything. I think it's just good old OBS. Oh, look at that. Is that Claude in the background? What is that?
Going to. Oh, for some reason my charger is not working. Ah, technology.
Yeah, the Bulls are seriously holding this level here. Very interesting. So let's see what the volume profile looks like. Okay, the volume profile tells me that there is some liquidity below us. So I feel like this is a false breakout.
To the upside.
Yeah, I don't think that we're gonna break out here right now. So I'm gonna go short. I'm gonna go short here. Um, so I'm sure my target is 511, which is pretty low. But from what I'm seeing, there's liquidity as low as 430. So I don't think 511 is really too far fetched. We are at the top of the range, so the risk reward is chef's kiss.
Just know that we have those 20s in between 530 and 510. So
Yeah, it's gonna really need to come down if it's gonna come down. And we did break above the 20 with a nice bullish candle, and we're flagging on the 1 minute. But yeah, I got a feeling about this, so we'll see. I mean, I'm green now because my entry was good. But the Bulls could, reclaim. And yeah, I'm willing to take the risk. It's $20. I'm risking $20 to make what's this, 60? Yep. So I think I like it. I'm in a trade just for the sake of being in a trade at this point, because the 15-minute doesn't necessarily look bullish or bearish. Like the market structure right now, nothing to write home about. There we go. Stop me out. And that's because I'm looking at the 1 minute. The 1 minute's not really too dependable.
yeah. And we are closing 1 hour candle in couple of minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes.
Very good. I'm gonna short this again if we can get back to the 50s. I like 29,550 for shorts, and I'll risk another $20. We're doing the Kamehameha pattern that I like so much on the 15-minute. Show me what above 550 looks like. And I will short this thing into oblivion. Here we go. I'm in there. Okay. All right, so I'm now short at 29,551.50. All right, my stop is at 61.50. And I'm looking for 29,521. So just looking to retest the 20s, basically the bottom of this 15-minute candle that we're in. I'm looking for this to, go red. It doesn't have to happen on this candle. It can happen on the next candle. So we're looking at a $60 potentially, maybe like 15, 20-minute trade. But don't worry, I have a feeling we're not going to be here long.
Uh,
Let's see. We're already up.
Wop, wop, bam, body, bop, bam, bam. Well, I'm still waiting my tablet to wake up. I don't know what to tell you. I was not prepared this morning. My apologies, everyone. I mean, I was ready mentally, and I know the levels, but I have no batteries ready.
Gotta charge the laptop. Yeah, there you go. Well, that's cool. We're holding it down right now. Looking for these shorts. Gonna see if these shorts pop or if the bulls are really gonna have their way. And when we did the pathing, we were definitely thinking we could bring it down, but we did close above 29,506, which is kind of a pretty important level. In order for us to get any kind of bearish, we need to get below 29,506 first. So as of now,
Oh, that's. I'm sorry. Like, this guy's coming in. No. Sorry to interrupt, Albert.
oh, you're good. You're good. Well, yeah, they couldn't take me out. They got close, but they couldn't take me out. So let's see. That was the Bulls trying to close this candle really green. Now let's see if the Bears have anything to say about that. If you look left, there's a lot of wicks in this area. So if we close a solid body candle where there used to be wicks on a 15-minute time frame, I'd argue that the Bulls are probably a little serious about this.
Hmm.
But they gotta show me. Gotta show me. So they got seconds left to just hold on. But if the same sellers who have been turning these candles in this price range into wicks can show their ugly faces, then nope, they couldn't. So I think the Bulls are going to do their thing here. I'm going to actually take profit on this while I'm green. I'm going to take my little $6. I think that I want to flip to a bullish bias right now. And I will be pissed off if we go to 511. But I'll also probably flip to longs.
Can we turn this on, bro? Come on.
I think we're in a position here. Yeah. It was a good time to exit. So if you were in those shorts with me and you got out, congrats. We got out green. I think we're about to see a bit of a continuation. But you never know. Yeah, we just made the wick and now we're pushing. Where will it stop? I think we know. We could easily touch these 80s. The high of the session is 29.8250. We've tested it twice since the session opened. So the third time might be a charm. We'll see.
Not the third, we can give it the fourth time.
You know,
Oh.
and again. All right, I'm gonna set this up because I definitely would like to go for longs if we can get to the 15-minute 14 SMA, and that is at 493. So I will actually do 484 because that's probably where my stop loss would be if I was at 493, and I just feel like it's one of those days. And lo and behold, would my short be cooking right now? My short would be cooking right now. Right after it stopped me out, it would have stopped me out at 560 and then dropped it. Yep, I definitely have a limit order.
Is it possible that the iPad takes like good 10 minutes before it's switches back on if it was switched on like battery completely empty? That sounds weird.
It was, what are you saying? Like, it takes some time if it's switched on with a
It takes
battery.
some time after I plug it on the charger, like I cannot switch it on still.
Oh yeah, yeah. All Apple devices, they need to have a minimum of like 5 to 15 battery percent. I think it's
Oh,
5 before they'll turn on. So even if you put it on the charger right after,
okay.
you know,
Okay.
if you want 1%, it needs to charge up that 4% before it turns on.
Fast chargers, my
Yeah, it's crazy work.
okay, that's fine.
So you know the reason why that is when Steve Jobs, I read his autobiography,
Yeah,
and when he
yeah.
was creating Apple devices, he didn't never want them to go to zero because he said it was his way of poetically putting it in the programming that he was afraid of death and he didn't want his phones to ever die.
Okay. That's why they switch off with 1%, not zero.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, okay. Thank you, Stevie.
Thanks, Steve, for making us wait.
Yeah.
We're waiting. You know,
Morning, Randall. Morning. Sorry, I have technical issues. I did not see the comment earlier. Chat. Good morning, chat. Evening, chat.
man, that short we called out would have cooked. And I had a bullish bias, but shorts are shorting right now. We're almost at 511, like we said. So
Well, it's okay. Did we check something? Have we? Because we opened a new hourly candle. Yeah, Randall, by the way, you saw 2 days ago we were talking about 29 and 29.3. Everything played out, huh? Everything played out. Yeah, I think still on 1 hour this could be. Well, 1 hour looks the most bullish from them all, but as we speak earlier, 29.567 is resistance that that it's holding us. I guess when was this? On Tuesday, we had a candle close and candle open here, and we never closed the candle above that. So I think that's still the level that we have to close above. We are 2 candles ago. We bounced from the 1 hour 14 SMA. Right now with this short, we are feeling, or we actually feel the previous 1 hour candle body that, and we are only 7 minutes in the candle, so we might see another push up, right? Um, but then 15 minutes looks a little bit less bullish at the moment. 30 minutes, I would like to see how this 30-minute candle, or maybe even this and next 30-minute candles, like play out. Uh, because money flow, to be honest, money flow on uh, 30 minutes looks okay, looks good. I don't like the fact that RSIs are spread apart on the market cipher B, but we are above the 50 line, so we might see another push up, maybe just the try like to break that 567 level. But yeah, for me, I have no entries. Even if I was on my iPad, I can trade from my phone, but I have no entries here. And look, this is a 5 minute 14 SMA, so careful if you're shorting. Are you here? Mm, mm, mm.
Yep, just
No,
patiently
good, all
waiting.
good, all good, all good. No, I wasn't sure. Grand Rising, good morning or good evening, DDB. Just firing up, having my coffee slept in. Yeah, we slept in yesterday, to be honest. So, yeah, we
Yeah,
feel
the chill day
30 minutes.
yesterday.
Yeah, 30-minute tabletop upper. So, for me, we have to see how it plays on the ascending trend line. Yeah, I agree. I agree. I agree. And good morning, everyone. We have 5 people. So, good morning, good evening. Feel free to say hello. Feel free to ask any questions, or feel free not to do anything. But then you have to smash the like button and then subscribe to the channel. Your choice, one or the other.
Hit the like button or subscribe. Or if you're just really in a great mood, do both.
Do both, yeah. If you really feel like.
And we're gonna charge you $0.00 to do that. I know normally it costs
Normal,
more. Today we're gonna discount it.
yeah, yeah, I agree. But if you don't smash the like and you don't subscribe and you don't even say hello, then be careful. We might cancel your YouTube Premium subscription, and you will have to watch the ads for the rest of your life. Just have that in mind, right?
Right? You're gonna have to spend your whole first payout getting everything back.
Yeah.
Wow, we just had a nice random push.
Random or not random from 5 minute 14 SMA?
Yeah, I guess you could say that. It's actually not only the 5 minute, but the 15 minute 14.
Whoa, what a push. 520, 560, 60, 70 points move. Wow. 5 minute, yeah, nice. And we feel that 1 hour candle, 1 hour body from the previous candle, and we are going. Yep, that's nice. That's okay. So, did my charger, guys? Oh, this charger. Oh, sorry, guys, it's not with patience. I'm going to short here, but it looks like a decent short setup if you're willing to front run the trade. Maybe, but if I'm honest, to me this looks quite bullish right now. I mean, we talked about it earlier. This is a zone that we need to reclaim, so we might see another rejection, but we also might see a push through. So, yeah, at this 29,567.25 as a resistance, and we are closing this 1 hour candle in 46 minutes. So we still have time. But if we close above, then I would look for a pullback maybe and another long to the previous consolidation at around 29,680s. That would be a nice 100 points from here. Ha! Some tricky area. We are still rejecting the trend line that we made the other day of the pennant or triangle or whatever it is. Could be
Yeah, I
both.
think I want to randomly go long right here.
Yeah.
Just feel like,
Farmer has been touched several times. Let's see if it breaks. Yes, exactly.
What's up, strangers?
Oh,
oh, snap.
no way,
Young,
Jose.
young Los in the building.
Welcome back, broski.
Thanks for the young part, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't tell me you feel old. Come on.
30, man.
Yeah.
I don't feel old at all. I don't feel old at all. Just when I say 30, yeah.
It sounds different, right? It hits different, right?
It sounds different,
Like,
exactly.
Like we've been around for quite some time now. It's not like, oh, we are whatever 22 anymore. 25. It's like 30, bro. Yeah, that
Yeah.
is true. By the way, you switched to three already or not yet?
I what? I what?
You turned 30 already or not?
Yeah. April 30th this year.
April 30th.
Order
Okay.
filled.
Yeah.
So you have birthday every 4 year, every 4 years. I know that's February. My bad. Still, oh my God. No, I'm tripping. My bad. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm tripping live. I'm tripping publicly. I'm sorry, guys. Okay.
What's
What
Good
up,
up?
old
Jake?
February 30th. Yeah, if you were
Yeah,
born
yeah,
February
I
30th,
was
then
like,
you're
what?
probably like
Yeah. Exactly.
probably a teenager right now.
Yeah.
And right now, I am long 29,563.
You're long. Okay.
Yeah, but only one contract. I'm probably gonna add to it if we can get. Oh snap! We just got a crazy drop to the 40s. All right, okay. That's why I have stop
Nice.
loss.
London is
Order
waking up,
filled.
or what? What
Stop
is
filled.
happening here? We have some movement.
We're having some sporadic moves to the upside, to the downside, through the window, through the wall.
Mm. Ah, skid.
How was your guys' weekend, bro?
Weekend was pretty good. Actually, really good.
You burned some money up or what?
No, just living life, man. Experiencing some great experiences.
Hmm.
So you don't like to burn your money on 4th of July, Donovan?
That's funny. Now I got some fireworks, and that's funny. I've had the same pack of fireworks for like 4 years now. I haven't. I keep saying I'm gonna light them, and I never do. But if anyone ever asks me to light fireworks on 4th of July, I got them.
Oh, so you gonna light them up this year?
Yeah, right. Yeah, don't worry. We'll get them next year.
And who knows, huh?
Yeah,
Stop filled.
exactly. We'll see.
Oh, that's cool, bro. That's good. That's good to hear somebody say they don't like to burn their money. That's how I see it. That's how I look at it.
Yeah, right. You just over there watching sparks fly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
when I was a kid, my neighbor would spend like a monthly salary or even more on pyrotechnics, fireworks, and that was crazy. Like
That's crazy.
For New Year's.
Yeah, it's crazy how much a lot of people spend on fireworks, bro. I've
Uh,
never, I didn't grow up with my parents ever buying me that. I mean, they could barely, afford whatever we needed. So, and I never really liked it until 2 years. Well, this one's the third year now that I buy a
Order
box
filled.
or two,
mm,
something like, bro, not too expensive, but just so whatever, we can spend some time, a little barbecue, and they can have some fun. But yeah,
yeah.
but I still look at it as, and just well, that's literally what you're doing, burning your money.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it
I
Uh,
didn't
seems
know.
these days you're either burning it, you're eating it, or you're putting it in your gas tank.
yeah. Yeah. True. How was your weekend? How was your week, bro?
Yeah, it was cool. I went home again, I mean, I went
Nice.
home I left Thursday and then just got back actually last night. It was good, bro. It was pretty good. It couldn't be better. Yeah, it was great. Spent time with family. Parents came over to my house and had barbecue, and then the next day we had some burgers and hot dogs and watched some FIFA, some World Cup games. Spin around. All my parents are trying to buy a home, so we went out too and looked at some homes for them around my area where I live.
Okay,
Uh,
okay.
where I buy my house, they they don't because we don't live close. We live like about an hour and a half or so. So they're trying to move up here. Yeah, but it was cool. It was cool.
Cool.
Yeah,
You don't need more than that.
yeah, yep. I don't need more than that. Family's all. That's all we need.
How's the weather been for you?
It's hot, bro. It's hot up here. Really hot. It's funny though, cause where I'm at is not usually as hot. Well, where I'm at working right now. And yesterday I got back. I got off the plane probably like sometime around 11:45 or so at night, and it was hot, bro. It was like 90 something, 98 degrees or something. I was like,
Oh my God,
"Whoa."
at 11 o'clock.
Yeah, 11. Yeah, it was almost 12.
Oh,
It was damn.
That's too
So
much.
they had a pretty nice heat wave out here, but luckily it wasn't. It was hot today, but it wasn't as hot. Oh yeah. It's crazy here. This weather, it always on the weekend it'll want to start raining and then it's real windy out here, super windy. Like
Mm.
it's just crazy as weather.
But heat
But
waves and winds are not good. That can usually make fireworks. I wanted to say, like forest fires. Ah. Yeah, but I feel you. Randall says he never did fireworks in his life.
yeah,
He did fireworks on graph papers,
Stop filled.
drawing charts.
Donovan.
Order filled.
Huh?
Fireworks on charts.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, on stock charts.
Yeah.
Seeing my P&L look like explode.
Bro, my tablet is still not on. I don't know what to say. Ah, hectic end of the week.
Wait, is the
Your tablet.
computer? Go ahead, Don.
Oh no, what are you gonna say?
I was just gonna ask, Nicholas, the computer. I heard him mention that he ordered like I don't know, maybe a month ago or so. It still hasn't got through or what?
Well, I don't know. I'm out on a boat, so it did not arrive before I left. So I hope it arrives. I'm not sure.
Oh,
I will know on Monday.
not home?
Huh?
Oh, you're not home right now? You've been
Mm-mm.
out of home?
No, I've been out. Yeah.
Okay. Nicholas, yeah, nice life, bro. You traveling all the time.
Sounds better. Sounds better than it is. I'm grinding, man. I'm grinding every day. So I
Order
just changed
filled.
location because
That's good.
it was too hot, so I had to get to the sea. Uh, but yeah,
That's dope, bro.
same old grind. Same old grind. We've been streaming. We've been working every day, bro. So yeah.
That's awesome to hear, Nicholas. Give me a second. I'm ordering something real quick.
Yeah.
Streaming, working, streaming, working.
Yeah, you've been you will two of you will be the first to know when we make it, and then we go together somewhere to celebrate.
You know?
Not even to celebrate, just to work just to work together, like for 10 days. That would be epic.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Trying to get this trading money deposited to my account so I could do extravagant things.
Hmm. No, but I think I realized this week because I had two accounts blown like after they did great, and not because I did something wrong, only because I had 2 red days, and yeah, in a row. And okay, um, I could have set my daily lot limit to 500, right? So I don't hit the max stop limit. But then I'm thinking, look, if this was your 50K and you had $1,000 red day, and the second one, and even five red days in a row, with one day you can all make back
Yeah.
without your account being blown. So I'm more and more leaning towards gathering some amount to start a live account,
Mhm.
because these rules, okay, but I think those rules are actually limiting us much more than we actually realize, because
Yeah.
we pay just $20, $40, $90, whatever, and then you don't have, oh, we have 15K like trading power. Yeah, but you don't have 50K trading power because you have 2K lot limit, and that's it.
Yeah, I
And
Yeah.
agree,
now when
bro.
I started this paper trading where you don't have limits, right? And I realized that it actually plays out much better. So
It can go a lot better. But Everything in
Yeah,
trading is a double-edged sword.
yeah, it is, of course, but we accepted it, right? So that's fine. That's fine. But if I want to risk something, um, let's say if I have limit that I want to make, and I will 99% of the times put my stop loss based on the price action, not 5 points, 10 points, whatever. Just price action and P&L, like how much I want to risk on a trade. With daily limits, with funded accounts, you are limited on that. So if your stop loss has to be a little bit wider, you have to go with a less position, which means you're making much less, right? Um, on paper trading account where there is no limits, I could have risked maybe a little bit more, but risk to reward was there, and at the end of the day, I was green.
Mhm.
Yeah, and by the way, who was here when I started that paper trade on Tuesday? We started with a little bit less than 100K, and the account is sitting at 271K right now, so it's doing well. And the target
Nice.
was to make 500K. Oh,
And you're trading it just like if you were like
same.
how can I say it? Yeah, just like if it was maybe trading it almost as if it's your actual money.
Same. I'm not just going in because I can. I go in when I see a setup. I go with much bigger position size. That's true, but but
But you let your losses kind of run a little bit, and you don't close your position if you're losing. Let's say if you're down, I don't know, let's say 4 or 5 grand. I don't know, maybe
yeah, no, I did not close. Yeah, I was the most I was down was like I don't know 60K.
on one trade.
Yeah,
Oh damn.
but I closed the trade for 100 and something. That
Uh,
was over the weekend, but that doesn't count actually. Let's okay. Let's be real. The biggest I went, yeah, I was I think risking like 16K. It went down to 10, 11, and then I closed it for. Wait, I will look. I have it here. Order history. Uh, orders. How can I see? Balance history. Here we go. So yesterday at 35K, I had a 15K loss, then 35 profit, 4.5 profit, 800 down, and 2K profit.
yeah. So
So
yeah, that's why I was asking because in reality, if it was your own money, I mean,
no,
I know if it was my own money, I know I wouldn't be able to take seeing. I don't. I'm not even gonna get close to 60K. That's
no,
that's
for
more than
sure,
half
no,
of.
for sure, especially not on 150K account,
Right.
right? No, for sure not. But and I said that was I left the trade open over the weekend, so yeah, no, that for sure not. But on a 50K account, I would probably be okay with up to 2K, 2,500 stop loss
Mm-hmm.
if the risk to reward is there.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Stop filled.
That sounds about right.
Uh,
Yeah. Yeah. Well,
yeah,
no,
but
maybe
probably
if
it would be smart. It would be smart to do like 10. I mean, 1,000 stop loss on a 50K, not more than that. If you're looking at percentages, but I'm not able to put 50K on a live account right now. I would be happy to start with maybe 10K and then really like go max with I don't know 5 micro contracts, something
Hmm.
like that.
Yeah, that also had to do with your $1,000 stop loss because if you go, let's say,
Yep,
3 contracts on NQ, well, I mean that's gonna get reached pretty fast. So
exactly. But even on 10K account, you cannot risk 10%. Like 1K is like 10%.
right.
That's too much. Then I would go probably with $500 and build it gradually because
Mm-hmm.
it's possible. But when you have 50K funded account, that 500 seems a little bit. Seems like nothing because you have to make 3K or what? Yeah, 3K. So or what is the target? 3K. I forgot. So, well, at the end of the day, it's the same thing. You should risk certain percentage, and you're aiming for risk to reward. So, but I don't know. I have a feeling when I make 2K on a funded account, it feels like I made nothing. And then when I was trading options, I make 500. I feel like, oh my god, I made
Right?
$500. You know.
I feel you, bro. I feel you.
So there's the thing. So I would rather trade even 5K live account, but you cannot trade 5K. I think you need at least
Order
10 to
filled.
15K minimum
To
to
get
to
a
trade.
live account.
Order filled.
Yeah, to trade properly, to put 10 or 15K on your brokerage and trade futures.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know my boy YOLO got me started with
Mm-hmm.
100, 200. You can do
Stop
two to
filled.
$500. Still trade futures. You just got to trade in micros, of course. You can't
Stop
trade
Yeah,
minis,
filled.
but
yeah, exactly, and build that account. Yeah, exactly.
build it. But
Yeah.
those we've had a couple cheat code days, right? Where I just wish that I had money sitting in an account to trade, because it's like there was days where the price just went straight up over the last couple weeks, and it's like all you had to do is go long.
Yeah,
Mhm.
and
Days
then
where
you
the
can
price
even
went
set
straight
it
down.
overnight. You can have it overnight. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
That's still actually pretty dope because I mean, if it's a live account, I mean that means everything you're getting it's yours actually to keep, right?
exactly.
And how fast can you make, like, let's say 40, $50 on even on a one contract micro contract? I mean,
Yep,
micro. So
yep.
if you just go in, and if you're, I don't know, move your stop loss and profit or whatever and take it, and then go in
Yeah,
again and 40, 50 here, and man, that little four trades, you're already up $200. I mean,
yeah.
I don't have
That's a
200,
nice paycheck. Yeah.
but
Yeah.
that's what somebody makes in, man, a full day. A lot of people. So
Yep. Tell me about it. Yep. I was
that's
working 11 hours for 420 euros, which is, I don't know, $150. And I thought I'm making good money.
150. You say?
Huh?
How much is that? You said 450 euros.
No, 120, 110,
Okay,
120. And that was
11
like
hours
one
for
full,
120 euros, bro. That's
bro, one
crazy.
day. Yeah, that was 10 euros an hour. And few years back, that was a good salary.
Oh,
I
okay,
mean,
yeah.
it's, so, but now I'm realizing, like, what is that? Nothing. You can spend 200 euros in a day easy.
Man, you can't even pay market on that anymore.
That's what I'm
That's
saying. So,
that's just to fill
okay.
up your gas tank now. Every
Yeah, yeah, crazy. Randa says limit buy order at 492, 2 micros, which is a partial entry for me. If it fades, I will add the other three. Okay, 492. Where are we at right now?
Yeah, that was my. I tried to get in at 480 and 490, and it stopped me out, and then it started running.
Oh wow. Okay, if you enter at 492 and look at this bounce now again, if you went there, what is your stop loss, Randall?
You guys are in longs right now?
I'm not. I'm in nothing.
Yeah, I'm in long because it just keeps fucking going up. It's crazy. I'm late to the party.
Order
I'm
Mm.
filled.
tardy
But
to the party.
better being late to the party than at the wrong party.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
have an
yeah.
account already, Donovan. So um
So let's go.
um
What are you waiting for?
uh, uh, I'm eating because I thought I wasn't gonna get hungry, so I didn't eat earlier, and then I came out of the gym and I was hungry. So
I went long too on a paper trade account.
With
um
the
I was
highest
up to like
pressure.
370 today, so just little trades that I took, like I told you yesterday, here and there. I just take a trade, take a little whatever, 100, and I close it. I close
Yeah.
the app. Taking it slow here.
Oh, and steady.
And then my trading view thing, that thing, like I didn't even know. I guess I ran out of, like, my subscription ended, and now I gotta get used to. Well, I don't have to get used to it, but I'm not trying to pay a month, bro, because 20, it's like 15 or something like that for like the basic one, and doesn't even give you what I actually want to use.
Yeah,
I got
but
so used to hollow
Stop
candle,
field.
the volume candles. I got so used to them, and you have to get like the pretty expensive one for that one. So
Order
I'm
yeah,
not
you
gonna.
filled.
should you should wait. I mean, yeah.
You know when they have the
Usually,
next one?
last 2 years, I just use the Black Friday sale and I buy it for a year.
Yeah, that's what I did last time. So and I got it. I don't remember like 200 bucks or something like that. So
Yeah,
something.
something, yeah, something like that.
Pretty
Yeah.
good.
And you get a month free too. So like you get a big discount plus month free, and then next year you renew it and you have like 2 months extra. So right now I'm good for the until the end of the year still.
Okay, nice. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait, I guess.
Yeah. But then the only problem you have then it's not even the candles, but you have delayed data, right?
No, I got the data. I mean, that's a side, right? Or you can't, because I still pay for the. I just got charged actually like a few days ago.
Ah, okay, then yeah, then you can pay for the data, yeah, but then your intervals and indicators and number of indicators that you can put on and whatnot.
The the only thing, you know how I like to use the 10 minute a lot. They don't provide you the 10 minute on the free one, so I might just get
Yeah,
the basic maybe. That's at least I
yeah,
can get that.
yeah.
Yeah, because I can't get the 10 minute and the 2 minute.
Which is pretty ridiculous actually now when I think about it that they charge for all these things, but
Yeah, yeah. I need to be like Donovan and just go with the Weeble as far
yeah,
as that.
yeah,
Hey, Webull is free.
Order
Webull is
filled.
free. Tradeovate comes with any funded account or any eval.
yep.
And Pro Real Time is actually my thing that I use for options. Pro Real Time is dope for options.
Pro real time. So is that a oh wait, that's a subscription onto Weeble or?
Nah, Pro Real Time is a free trade. It's a free trading view alternative. It's really good. Really, really good. Comes with all the same indicators. Sometimes it has like better default indicators too. It's really good.
Okay.
Yeah, but on futures, of course, it doesn't. Nothing has live data on futures because it's universal that you have to pay for that.
Yeah, that's CME. Yeah,
Yep,
Hmm.
CME charging
I
for
pay
that.
for. I also pay for that one. You guys don't?
yeah, I do. Yeah,
Okay.
No, I
yeah.
just
Otherwise, you cannot trade.
I get it free with Tradeovate with my Apex account or whatever account I'm trading.
Yeah.
They give it to
Well,
you
I
for
guess
free.
I do too because I mean I link TradeObate, but I don't. I just got used to TradingView, man. I guess, or I don't know.
And you know what's crazy? I realized that yesterday because I said that I am trying to I wanted to connect several evil accounts together and trade them. I copy trade them, right? But if you trade away account on TradingView, you cannot do it. You have to trade on TradeAway.
Oh wow. Really?
Yeah. And then to trade on TradeAway, I have to use my laptop. I cannot do it on iPad or phone. So
Hmm.
yeah.
I didn't know that one.
Mm-hmm. Which prop is that? Sorry, I didn't hear. Probably Apex. I don't know what we were talking about. Random. My stop depends on the size of the trade. 1 micro, 100 points. 5 micro, 15 points. General depends. I never set a stop to the market. All manual. Okay.
Hey, there's open source thing give you live data too. I might build something that gives you live data with Claude for us
Ooh.
to use.
Ooh.
I was just looking at different repos that have resources for that because I'm just building everything I want with AI now. I'm building all the software I could ever want with AI because I
I'm
can't.
sorry, I was late on chat, but Zar Trader also said Asia was pretty choppy, but was a really good day. Buying the Asia Open was great on MQ. Yep,
Yep.
yep. If you're still here, Zar, yeah.
Yeah, I'm
I,
looking at it right now. I'm not trying to trade it, bro. Like I told you, I'm not. I'm trying to trade this chop up, down, up, down.
yeah.
Yeah, I got chopped out a few times, but I thought about going long when we got. Oh shit! You see that drop? Damn. Yeah, I'm not in anything. I think it's still bearish, right? I don't know what it wants to do,
Yeah.
but it looks like it's doing this Kamehameha thing. So, but it doesn't look like any pattern really at the same time. So, yeah, I mean, the best thing to do when you don't know what's going on is stay away. I've lost like 7 trades. Thank God there were only one contract. Um, and how many trades have I hit my TP on? None. So yeah, pretty choppy session. It's not doing what you would expect.
Yeah.
Either that or I'm just not picking good entries, which I could argue
No, bro, it was
another time.
chopping. Look, even the first trade when you went with 200, you got your TP, but it took only 600, so 6 contracts. So
That's true. Yeah. I was only looking for 1 point and I went negative 10 points before I got 1 point, which is crazy. But yeah, I did get it for 6 contracts, but the other 194, they didn't quite make it.
yeah,
Now, I will attribute that also to the huge spread on NQ because NQ
yeah,
has a
100%.
spread right now of God knows what. Yeah, it's like 7 ticks right now. So
That's crazy. That's crazy for NQ. That's just crazy.
that's a lot. I think I'm also probably just trading the wrong thing. Is there more liquidity on Russell 2000? Let's see.
Mm.
We
I
got
doubt. I
it's
doubt.
a 2 tick spread on Russell right now.
Maybe gold. Who knows? Hey, one thing I noticed about this thing, and then I didn't know at all. I don't show any, like this free version doesn't show me any wicks right here.
Anywhere.
On my charts, like there is no. This thing has no wicks.
Wait,
Like
Really?
my
trading view.
on my candles, yeah, it's just full, either bearish or bullish candles.
Nah,
Isn't-
that's some
Yeah.
kind of a bug.
Yeah, I was gonna
Oh,
say
you
it's
know,
got to be
as I
your candle settings.
yeah, as I'm telling you, I checked my settings and they're black. The borders and the wicks. Never mind. I take that back.
I'm like, okay, okay, you might be on to something, bro. Only looking in that opening and closes and say, forget about the wicks.
That's great. Hey, it was working out for me though, bro. I think I'm gonna just leave like that.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
That's
but
a
you
that's a
know
whole
what? I
thing.
still haven't figured out my weekly. My weekly candles are completely wrong.
Yeah, you can manually correct candles too. That's another thing.
Really?
Yeah, you can go in and change the open and close of a candle on your
Yeah,
own
but
chart.
how do I know what's open and closed when my weekly doesn't show me, right?
Yeah,
I
that's
guess
the
I can
thing.
figure it out on an hourly candle or
Hourly or
whatever. But
daily, yeah.
but you know
Yeah,
what?
you gotta go
We
to the
did.
time or
So yeah, I just realized I told you we are weekly on a weekly like 14 SMA, but no, that's I don't know if that's right or wrong. I guess right now Thursday, so it's right either way. But okay, my trade is back green.
interesting. Russell 2000 is pushing. Nasdaq is all over the place, like because
Uh,
the liquidity is so low on it, and I'm wondering like why aren't people trading now? Why is the liquidity so low? Is there like a reason why traders are staying away from the market right now?
They're
just
still
1 hour
popping
before
fireworks.
the London, I would say.
I mean, yeah, but I mean, even this is low even for London. Like we trade Asian and London all the time, and it's I mean a seven
Yeah,
point
but
7 tick spread on NQ is crazy.
that is crazy. Yeah, and look at this. We went down up to 590, came down to 480. So that's 100 and something points in a chop.
Yeah, all this chop is not good. You know, I don't really feel good risking a lot on chop. I'm probably just gonna set like a Hail Mary really good entry trade, like right where I see a lot of wicks, a lot of support, and also where the volume profile supports an entry. So for me, that is 29,417. I think that if we can get there, I'm happy to go long. 29,417. And I'm only looking for, well, this is my point, my setup where I'm looking for 75 points. So that brings me to 490. Yeah.
I don't know where that what's that level you said? I mean the number
I
you said,
got
Donovan.
29, 419.
Okay, because I was gonna tell you I don't know exactly where it's at, but I have a trend line drawn
Mhm.
on the hourly.
Mhm.
I'm not looking at it right now, but that sounds like I could be close to that trend line. And then I have a level. Let me see. Look at the chart for 29, 448. I have a level there on a 4 hour time frame, and then and that trend line has been holding up this whole time. It hasn't really ever touched it on the last, at least the last three. Well, actually, it hasn't touched it all day, I guess. But that level that you said is probably was below the level that I have. 419, you said?
Yeah,
Okay, but I
419.
see all
Really?
that. I see all that support though.
Yeah, there's hella support, and then there's a volume profile spike there. So a lot of buyers got in there. Somebody heavy
Hmm.
bought a lot at that particular level. So I think buyers will step up there. It could kind of wick below there because there's a lot of wicks below there. But by the time the candle closes, I'm expecting buyers to step up.
Yeah, sounds like a good trade, bro.
Yup, yup. In this type of market, I should have really been after that the whole time. But is what it is. There was plenty of times I was in profit, didn't take it because I'm trying to at least do a 1-to-1 with my L's, my losses I've taken. But this is a session that is only rewarding people who are taking the magical amount of risk at the right places. It is choppy.
One thing I've noticed ever since on this, let's see, we got above the 200 EMA on a 15 minute. I'm looking at it right here. At 8:15, well, my time. I'm not sure what time that is for you, but we got above the 200, close above, strong candle. Got back up there, chopped around for a little bit, came back, touched that 200 and bounced up nicely. That's that bounce that got us all the way up to 29, like 600 or something. And
Mm,
then came back down and touched it exactly right at 29, 480 or somewhere right there,
mm.
470. And then that bounce is happening here. So if based based off of this, I mean, slowly, I guess we could possibly come back to the highs. But a nice trade would be, I mean, by seeing these, I'll probably take a trade off that 200 again. Why not? If we
Yeah,
can
yeah,
get down,
that sounds good.
but that's at 470. It's currently sitting at 29, 470. So that's what, about
Yeah,
100.
then there's confluence there because I have a level at 29,506, I think. And that's been a level that we've been playing with for session after session. Like it's a pretty big key level on the 4 hour. So I think that's why price is holding above there. And remember, even when we started the stream, I was saying we're bullish above 29,300. So as long as we're
Yeah.
above 29,300, we're still pushing, still have a green bias.
I closed my long too early. It's pushing now, but okay. And my tablet still doesn't want to turn on, so I really don't know what's happening. Okay.
Here we go. Here goes the push.
Order filled.
I took 5K quickly, but
Nice.
paper trade, so it doesn't really count, but okay.
Oh, you're not playing accounts right now?
No, I'm on my phone. My tablet is off, so I cannot do anything, bro.
But why? You don't remember the info, or you don't want to trade on your phone?
No, it's off. It doesn't want to turn on. It doesn't want to charge for some reason.
Hmm.
I don't know, bro. I don't have it lately with technology. Everything. I don't want to say it's working against me because it's not really, but it's testing me.
Mhm.
It's testing me.
right. Are we gonna get some profits? Let's get ready to profit.
Let's get ready for a move.
By the way, Donovan, I don't mean to invade your space like that. You guys' space like that, just coming in. But I spoke to Nicholas and I got permission to him to come in again. So
And you're a welcome guest, bro.
I appreciate it, bro.
A
Yeah,
welcome guest.
he is allowed to pop in. I was like, we've been waiting for you.
Yeah, you're an honorary guest, man. You got the link.
Yeah,
We've been ready for you.
exactly.
I was wondering. I spoke to him yesterday, Nicholas, and then I'm like, man, is it gonna be the same link? And then I'm like, well, let me try it out, and yeah, worked out. But that's why last time I was just watching you guys on YouTube, and I didn't want to join because I'm like, oh, that's disrespectful, man.
Nah,
But
bro, you got a pass, bro. We've been ready for you to join.
Yeah. I
thanks, man.
guess if
Thank
you wanted to disrespect us, you have other ways.
you.
So
Are we gonna push? I'm waiting to see if we're gonna push into the 70s. This price action is playing.
Man, it's like it has no gas, bro. No volume, bro.
Yeah, it's no volume. That's what it is. It's like it's just choppy. It's choppy. It could very well do exactly what you think it's gonna do, but it's not gonna do it when you think it's gonna do it.
To be quite honest with you, the volume is being worse at the times. It's not even all that bad, but it's just not moving.
It's not moving, bro.
I
You
mean,
guys
not
think it's nuts.
look. We just had the bounce from 480 to 570. Like, I mean, price
Order
did that
filled.
several times, so we did not move on a bigger time frame. But you can have nice scalps.
That's all you can have. Let me go to the. I think I'm on too high a time frame or something because what's happening right now. Okay. Yeah, the 1 minute is 1 minute. Okay, we are flagging on the 1 minute. That's what it is.
Mm.
Let me get. Okay, it was a bull flag. So I probably should have stayed in, but I got out because I don't want to take a L. But I did get out with some green. So
I wouldn't mind taking a
Let's look.
short at the top that we had earlier, 29,590. I mean, 29,600. Just to, I mean, with the chopping it, well, it looks like it kind of wants to push right now, huh? But when it looks like it wants to push is when they send it right back down, bro, and we're almost at the high of earlier.
Order
yeah, I'll
filled.
short the 80s for a second just to, you know how the 80s do. But sometimes they push to the 90s before they do anything. But let's see. See if the 80s got anything for me. See, the thing about taking, oh shit, on the 1 minute, we just did a perfect inverse head and shoulders.
Mm.
It's crazy.
You said it and I saw it. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's perfect inverse head and shoulders on the 1 minute.
And
And
yeah, and we're almost at the top of that, right? Oh,
just about. I'm thinking about going green and reversing my position to get to the rest, but I'm just gonna
Order
take
filled.
my little profits and sit back and watch what happens next. Because after a pattern plays out, you don't know what's happening.
mhm.
Damn, that was a perfect inverse head and shoulders on the 1 minute. I would have never thought to look for a pattern on the 1 minute though, but I guess what they say is true. Market structure is market structure.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. I I don't do it too often, but when my family was here in Seattle, I don't remember if I told you, I was doing that a lot of the time, looking for patterns, and they will always play out blue flags, embracing and shoulders. Man, it wants to push right here, I guess. I had to order it ready for shorts, but I think I'm gonna hold off on it.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd get in front of the train right now,
Hmm.
but I'm tempted too because it's the top of the inverse head and shoulders. So this is there's definitely sellers waiting right there at that top of that wick, but are they
I mean,
strong enough to hold off these bulls? I'm looking at the volume.
uh, I'm gonna go in with one contract and keep my stop loss super tight, bro, like $80. That's all right.
The risk to reward is great because it's like,
Mhm.
what are you risking? The top of that wick over there, it's nothing. So
Yeah.
it's great risk reward. And if it happens anything like that last candle, then you're gonna get a nice payout. Gonna get a nice amount of payoff of this. So all right, I'm short now because
Order filled.
I like what I'm seeing. But if it
Okay.
makes a new high, I'm just gonna be out real quick.
I mean, damn, there really isn't no reason for me to go short other than it's on the top of it because if I go to, I was gonna say a 2 minute, but it takes me to the 3 minute because my subscription doesn't work. It looks pretty bullish, but it's struggling here.
Just realized what's with my tablet turned off. It says liquidity, not liquidity, like liquid, humidity, whatever. So it doesn't want to touch. My
Mm.
Yo.
Oh man, I don't think this thing wants to fail me, bro. Are you already in, or you just have an order sitting?
I'm short at 592.
Okay, I went up a little too high, I guess. I went to 598.
You almost got it just there. And my stop is at 602. So it's like, you're either gonna stop me out or you're
Mm-hmm.
gonna pay me. And it looks like it wants to bull flag right here. It's not just
Stop
dropping.
filled.
So, oh, there it goes. Stop me out. So yeah, I have a bullish bias again. I just
Mm-hmm.
I'd like to see a pullback for it to stop me out, but I think they're gonna squeeze some shorts for everybody who's short in the top like us.
Let's see.
Squeeze them.
Oh, look at that! Look at that 15-minute candle.
Lovely. It's very lovely. Well, I'm going long here.
Order filled.
Okay, well,
Nice.
we're about to actually get a in a minute or whatever, a few seconds of a new 15-minute candle. So
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
yeah,
The short squeeze. Let me get that. Let me get that. I need that. Right, there we go. That's my stop loss return to me. I'll take it back.
Order filled.
Very nice. Very, very nice. Look at that push. Dang.
Push. Ah,
this
yo.
does look
Yeah,
very bullish, right, bro. I'm not gonna
yeah,
lie.
I definitely closed my long way too early, and this was my TP.
yeah.
Mm.
We're squeezing shorts right now. Whenever everyone who's in shorts calls it quits, then we'll come down. But until then. Oh, so have you guys heard about risk-free trading?
Risk free.
So
No.
there's a platform where you can trade, and if you make money, then you can request, some of that money as a payout. And if you lose money, it doesn't cost you anything.
But
What?
that's not real good.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? It's
Never
it,
heard about it.
yeah, I gotta send that to y'all. I gotta set it up too. I saw it on social media. Saw it on social media. And it's free. It doesn't cost anything. Because it's risk free.
Hmm.
That's the whole point. So and
Mm.
the whole premise is, there's either an AI or someone who's copy trading your trades, and it copy trades the people who are winning, and they're actually making money off the people who trade well.
Mm. That's pretty cool.
Yep, and somehow they know to limit the risk on people who don't trade well.
Yeah. And I've said back to that 594. Big seller at 600. That seller got absorbed big time. He's pissed. Yeah, I would think so. I would think so.
Let's see if I'm gonna get a payout. I'm still short. I haven't got on my short.
Okay.
Because I was risking $80 and I only got an MNQ, so I only got up to $40 of a loss. But that risk-free thing sounds pretty interesting, bro.
Yeah, I'm looking for it now, so I could put us on real quick. There we go. See.
Imagine Nicholas get 5 grand already today. What if they let him keep a grand off of that, man? Imagine. That's
Yeah, but that was, as I said, that was paper trades.
no, yeah, that's what I'm saying. But I mean, if it's risk-free trading, I mean, Donovan's saying that you make money and it's, I mean, you could get to keep some of it, and if you lose, you don't, nothing happens. It's like you don't lose anything. So it's almost like paper trading. I can see it.
That's pretty crazy.
All right, I'm putting it in the chat.
But you pay something for it. In the chat on Zoom or on YouTube?
Let me do it here. Where'd it go? There we go. All right, until they sponsor us, it's not mentioned on the channel. Yeah, I was saying until they sponsor us, we're not going to mention it. You know.
Yeah,
Yeah, but check it out, man. You'll see. I'll see if it's gonna really do what it says it's gonna do. Woo! We did come down. Los might actually cook on that short. Are you
I'm
back
up.
to break even?
I'm up $3.
Ching. I would imagine people who are trading without any risk trade better.
hmm It's confirmed. I mean, I confirmed it myself. My paper trade.
okay, what did we say? Upsideonly.com. .com.
All I know, bro, if I can actually get funded on an account and I'm up 200, $300 in the day, I'm gonna call it quits and just keep going for the next day and look for about the same thing. Even if I can get more, I'm out, and then I'm gonna get that first payout, bro. Even if it's $500 a payout, I'm gonna get it. That's my, at least
Yeah.
that's my thing.
And this page, bro, you notice this page was completely built with Claude.
Does it say that on there?
Upside only.
It's pretty dope. How'd you know?
I can see it.
Oh, yeah.
Everything that I tried to do with Claude look the same. So
That's what's up. Well, it's a pretty good idea.
yeah, start trading free. Let's see. Google it.
I'm up $30 now. My position.
Let's go.
There we go.
So you get 100K virtual balance.
Order
Start
filled.
trading. Pick a direction on any market. If you're right, you get paid. No risk to your capital ever. Okay.
That's what it says. If you're right, you get paid.
Yeah,
Really?
that's what it says. I have no idea. Let's see. Binance Coin NQ. Let's see. NQ. There's no NQ. MNQ. There's no MNQ. NDX. No NDX.
Try QQQ.
There is XYZ 100. What is that?
Yeah, Nasdaq 100 is 4x.
Mm.
All right, guys. I think I confirmed we're coming right back down.
What is the price right now? 29.
29,577.
It says 345 here.
29,345.
347.
Yeah, 4x is it's a different price than it is on options. I mean, 4x is a different price than futures.
Yeah.
So that makes sense. All right, I'm in longs because there's no upper wick on the candle that started this downtrend on the 1 minute. So I think we have to make a higher high at some point.
And since you said that, I moved my stop loss and profits. And I got stopped out. Thank you.
Yeah. Didn't want to be the bearer of any bad news, but I'll take $30
Order
real
filled.
quick. Cool. I just wanted to erase some of my losses.
Bro, ever since you called it, that was a perfect entry. Nice.
Yeah. I saw there was consolidation on the 1 minute, and then there's that wick. It's still going up. It's got to make a higher high if it's going to respect it, and we're so close. We're so close. We're going to push and then squeeze a little bit more.
Man, if it's gonna keep pushing, I'm guessing we're gonna go to 783 eventually. That's what I got next.
I don't have my levels up, but I think my next level is 29.9.
699?
29,900 something.
Oh wow. Ooh.
It's a ways to go. So if this pushes overnight, if London gets real bullish, then yeah, we can really push. Let me zoom out. Let's look at some higher time frame shit. Yeah, it's pretty bullish. Oh, yeah, the MACD on the 30-minute is okay, and we closed a 30-minute candle above VWAP, dynamic VWAP. We are well above regular VWAP too, so
Whoops.
there's no level to stop us for a while. So I think that if you're in longs, you may be okay to stay.
You're okay to stay the night.
Um, we just had a reversal candle on the 1 minute, so hold your horses. We're creating a liquidity zone right now with 3 sideways candles. Price will return to this price that we're at now when it leaves. So whether it goes up or down, it's coming back to where it is right now. We just created a nice little liquidity pocket. Anytime 3 candles open and close at the same area, it's like it's a big liquidity pocket. So there's a lot of orders that are going to sit here, and price is going to hunt this area out. So whatever happens next, just know we'll be back. Okay, and it looks like we want to go down, which is what I would presume. So if we're gonna go down, I want to catch a short, but I don't trust it. Yeah, that's why. There we go. Okay, we just swept the liquidity that was there. So it happened quick. You don't have to worry about that anymore.
Hmm.
Are the buyers going to close a candle where there was a wick? Kind of telling the sellers that we're taking over this price. Let's see. We're at a low volume profile here. So it's a lot of resistance, but if we push through, we're gonna push through fast and hard. Pause. But
Hmm.
very likely that that's what happened right here.
Very likely that our next 15-minute candle is going to give us the direction we want, which is in 2 minutes.
Let's go to 15. Yeah, 15 looks very bullish. If this pin bar closes like it is on the 15 right here, yeah, the buyers are making a statement. Buyers are making a big statement that the sellers can't hold them back. All right, that's it. They just took the whole wick. I mean, it's the 1 minute, so how exciting is it? But boom. What's that, a new high? Did I call it or did I call it? I think I called it.
You think I called it? No, I think you called it. Oh my
Yeah,
god!
right.
Today I've been off this whole morning, so
That's cool, bro. I definitely know the vibes. I know the vibes too well. Oh man, what's today? Today's Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thursday. Okay, we got 1 minute till the candle closes. The buyers and sellers are kind of having this little fight to see who's really gonna have this 15-minute candle close. My bet is on the buyers. I'm actually about to go long, risk $20,
Order filled.
and see if they can make something shake.
hmm.
Ooh, the sellers did their thing. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm about to close this because that was not in the plan.
Order filled.
Boom. Okay, and I made some money being wrong. Oh shit. Damn. Okay. Yeah, the buyers did their thing. Excuse me. Sorry I doubted you.
Hmm.
It's cool. I erased a few of my losses here. Can't complain about that. I had lost like 7 back to back. Now I won 3 back to back.
That's
Um,
good.
Probably gonna quit while I'm ahead, to be honest. Even though I'm not really ahead, I am behind technically, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean.
I wonder.
Hmm.
I was mute. Oh, I was saying, these next 15 minutes candle should give us at least 50 points, and I'm in long since whenever you said you were closing yours out. I don't know if you got to close it or not.
Yep.
I just
Yeah. Close it.
talking to myself, but I'm
Yeah.
I'm in long, bro. And base, I think we could possibly come to the 80s.
Yes. I want to see a push through the 20s to confirm. So I'm dropping down to the 5 minute.
I'm on a 15 right now. That looks real good.
Yeah, I got the 15, the 1, and the 5 minute on different screens. So I just want to see a retest of the breakout, which is going to be around like the 18, 17, 18 level. And then bang. Yeah, but this looks bullish. It looks very bullish.
If we come down some more, I'm gonna add some more contracts here because I do like it here.
Yeah, we touched the 5-minute 9 EMA and we took the fuck off.
Uh-huh. Let's go, bro. Are you guys in? Let's go. Look at that. This
Oh,
next
it's
time,
all you.
this
It's all
15-minute candle needs to get at least 50 points just alone.
That's all you need.
Yeah, I wish I was trading my legacy account because I got a setup where 40 points is 15K.
Man,
And yeah, get 40 points on that thing, you pass the eval, and boom. Now you got a 250K funded.
you got a live
But
account, you don't have to work for half a year.
shit, you get 4 payouts on that thing, and it's a wrap. All you need is 1 payout per quarter.
For real.
Okay, is this the pullback that I need to get in? I don't think it's enough. It's not enough. I want to see the test of the support down there, so we'll see. Will it give me the entry that I'm looking for?
This candle is a little breakout of a small little bull flag we had on a 5-minute.
Perfect. A little lower. A little lower. I think I'm being greedy. I'm going to take an entry here and I'll add to it. Boom.
Order filled.
Mm-hmm.
So, bang. I'm in for one contract. If we can get down to like 615, then I'll add another.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm up. Only up $7 right here. I was up more, but I'm up. I'm almost. You pretty much got the same entry I had earlier, and if we come down lower, just like you said, I have 2 more contracts sitting there.
You know the vibes. You know the vibes. Slow and steady wins this race. Now, we just came and almost kissed the 1 minute 9 EMA. So that is super bullish. If we kiss the 9 EMA on the 1 minute and take off,
Huh?
yeah, that's a good sign, bro.
Thanks for that one, because I don't have my 8 and my 21 EMA no more. Ever since my trading view thing subscription took off, I only
That's
have the
good.
100, the 200s. That's all I left.
Yeah,
I don't want.
there's an indicator that because I know TradingView free only lets you use 3 indicators, right? So you gotta choose wisely. There's an indicator that puts 5 EMAs on your screen though.
Oh yeah, I think I do have it. It's the 10. Oh wait. Yeah. Actually, I do have it. I think Mark showed us that one. Yeah, you're right.
Mhm.
Thanks for reminding me of that one. I do
Yeah.
have it. It'll,
Mhm.
yeah, thanks.
No problem, man.
I just got filled for 2 more, bro. Let's see.
Okay. A little lower, a little lower. I missed my entry. I was hoping for like a 14. No, I can't get a 14. Come on, don't do me like that.
That that was the that was the touch of a fair value gap on a 1 minute, little 1 minute, but it was. That was a.
We just touched the 14 SMA on the one, so that was really bullish. Fuck.
For the
But
people that trade fair value gaps on the 1 minute, 29,614, well 1375 to be exact, is like the very bottom of that fair value gap of that last very bullish candle. And look at that, just took off from there.
took the fuck off.
Let's
Here we
go.
go. That's
Oh,
cool. Ain't nothing
if
wrong with one contract being profitable. I'll take it.
it didn't come get your other contracts, Donovan.
I didn't have a limit. I was gonna manually enter them, John.
Oh,
So,
I see. Okay. All right. Right.
but I wasn't. My finger wasn't on the trigger when it needed to be.
Oh, okay. Oh, I took off. I'm with 3 right now. Cool.
So
Cool.
yeah, we're about to definitely push to a new high right here. You can see the structure building out on the one. It's going down. Yeah, I could see us going to my TP. My TP is up there. So I like that because I got
So
a
this is
75-point TP. So
this is where my problem comes in. I move my stop loss in profit, or what would you say?
wait
Is that
until we make a new high. And then once we make a new high, the previous high becomes resistance,
yeah? I got you.
becomes support, and then you can put your support below that, your stop below that.
All right, I'm up $100 right here. Little $100.
Push.
Push, baby, push.
Either gonna push or consolidate. So I'm moving my stop loss to break even. In case it consolidates, then I can just re-enter. A little bit of profit, of course. Don't need to risk anything when we're already green.
Mm-hmm. Man, we push here though. It's gonna make a nice push again. Cause look at the last. Well, I'm looking at the 3 minute right now. Look at the last 3 candles. They're right above. They're right,
Mhm.
little resistance level.
Waiting on it. It's coming. Bang. Look at that. That's a new high already. We just need to break above and then make the new high support. We got 15 minutes, like you said. So it's setting up perfectly for this 15-minute candle to do everything you said it would.
I forgot about that 15 minute, but oh yeah, you got just 5 more minutes. So
Mm-hmm.
so long. Let's see. It started at 6:05, and it's right now. It's at
Look at that, bro.
okay,
Push.
not points yet. It's only 30 so far.
Yeah, yeah.
Nicholas, are you there?
I'm here, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't.
I'm
I'm not.
here, but for me, I'm really not having a day. Like now, my phone is lagging too. I don't know what's happening. I guess that kind of a day where everything is lagging. Of
Nice,
course, we're
very
still, of
nice.
course, there's nothing to lose. I know I'm marching by heavy building. Yeah. Randall said buy limit at 561 for contracts. Um, yeah. Can you even hear me?
Yeah, we
Yeah,
can.
we hear you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Because now even my phone is like super slow. Never experienced that. Um. Yeah. I'm sorry that I closed that long when I did. Other than that, I don't have. I really don't have much. I think my tablet just turned on finally. Sure.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
Let's
Cooking,
go.
bro.
Finally, at the end of
Oh
our
yeah, we're
shit.
cooking those. We're cooking those.
Mhm.
Now
Boy,
we just gotta put our stop at the right place. I feel you on that. I'm about to do exactly that. I'm moving my stop up to below
Remember.
this candle that we're on now.
how many contracts?
I got one. Los is out there with the big three out there. He's got Drake, Kedrick, and fucking J.
Ooh,
Cole over there.
six. So we're 40 points to this candle, so we need 10 more. If
I got 4 minutes. I think it's gonna do it.
We got 4 minutes. 4 minutes.
And if we don't, then I'm still gonna make money because my stop's in profit.
yeah, mine as well.
But loss, you took some profits and then stop loss in profit, or
No.
immediately.
I went in the short earlier. I took profits. I moved my stop in profit, so that stopped me out in profit. And then when I saw that break of whatever that was earlier, and I went into longs, and so yeah, I just so I took that short and then this long. I stopped that in profit on the short, and I'm already in profit this one. So if it stops me out, it's all right. I'm in profit. And after this, probably be my last one of the day because
It's getting late.
catch up on some sleep.
Yep. If I had Call of Duty, I'd be hopping on Call of Duty Zombies right now. But
Okay,
lucky for
okay.
me, I don't have that because I'd be up until the sun comes up
Mm, like the real zombies.
like a real zombie.
That's crazy. I can't even do that
Uh,
anymore.
until from when the sun goes down until it comes up.
Oh, stop me out.
Stop field.
Yep.
In there, done that,
Yeah, pretty good
but
profit.
not with. Not,
Yep. Not bad, bro.
Well, the outcome was income, fellas. Well, technically, won the last
yeah,
four trades. Won four trades, so
that's
I'm not
good.
complaining, and we learned a lot. I will try and find sometime this week because my limits reset at 5 a.m. and I'll be able to use the latest model of Claude so I can code like really good software. And I'll try and see if I can make like an open source platform where we can get live data. So that'd be nice.
Be dope.
Okay.
I could
Yeah, and
definitely
Fable
sell,
5 is available until 12. Until
yeah,
the
until the
12th, they
12, right?
prolonged it. So yeah, so
Exactly.
we should make use of it.
Yeah, I mean if I make a platform like that, like I'll try and make a trading view clone and just put live data in there for futures and I'll really just do it for myself and like us. But I'll
Yeah,
sell subscriptions for it since TradingView sells subscriptions for it. Why the hell not, right?
yeah, exactly.
Sure, I can charge less than them and
So,
do the
but
exact
if
same
you
thing.
have, yeah, but what we could do actually is something else with that we discussed. But I'm not able to just try it again with my laptop, but I cannot even open the Chrome. So, but maybe we should really use the Fable while it's available, and make the price of patience journal or something like that.
Yeah, everything,
That
anything
would be
and
also
everything on your
cool.
mind. Use Claude to create all the software you could ever want. You know,
Uh,
while
yeah.
it is, because eventually someone's gonna try and stop you from doing it. So,
Oh, yeah, 100%.
yep.
100%.
But once again, we
Okay.
have come to an end of the Price of Patience show, and we appreciate y'all. And if
Mhm.
you're still in the trade, shout out to you. And if you already made some money, big shout out to you too. Um, so we learned today what we learn every day here on the Price of Patience, that the price of patience is much cheaper than the price of regret. Yeah. So thank you guys for coming out.
So,
We'll see you tomorrow. And we
you
don't see